Hello natural hair lovers, welcome back to Ivy's Naturals. Today I'll be showing you how to use this Charentaise melon to make a very rich hair growth oil. This oil is not common, you can only find it here. Yes, I said so, quote me anyway. First thing first, all you need to do is remove the seed from the melon by cutting it open. The other part of the fruit can be eaten just the same way you eat your watermelon. You can also juice it and make it into a fresh fruit juice. Let me take you through some amazing benefits of this melon when it's turned into oil. First, it's rich in antioxidants like vitamin C. It helps to lock in moisture in your hair. That way your hair would not easily get dry. It helps to promote scalp health, it strengthens your hair, and it stimulates hair growth. When you're done removing your seed, you make sure you rinse properly because it can be a little bit slimy. Then you put on a tray to air dry. If you have an air fryer, you can use air fryer to dry, or you can even dry directly under sunlight. This was mine after 3 to 4 days, yes, and it was properly dried. And then you proceed to blending your seeds. Now the purpose of blending is for fast infusion. You know, when the seed is whole like this and you infuse, it will take a longer time for the oil to penetrate before the nutrient can be extracted. And also it helps for better absorption. It also ensures that the mixture is consistent. When you infuse while the seed is blended, the mixture, it mixed properly like I said before. Yes, so you ensure you blend. At first it was giving a greasy kind of vibes, but don't panic. That's how it should be. Proceed to blend until very smooth. You can repeat the process as many times as you want depending on the power of your blender. Yes, so this is mine and here's how it looks. You see, it's so smooth, looking like cornflakes, a goosey. But anyways, after this, watch till the end to see how we proceeded to making the oil. Do not go anywhere. So now we're done blending. See the consistency mine give. Do well to blend your own roughly if you want, but if you want us in a powdered form this way, feel free to do what works best for you. So now let's proceed to making of the oil. We'll be using olive oil, coconut oil, and our star ingredient, which is the melon seed, and also our jar. Go ahead to put in 1 cup of coconut oil and 1 cup of olive oil. Understand that this measurement depends on the quantity of seed or powdered melon you're infusing. So after that, you proceed to pouring in your powdered melon seed into the oil. I tell you, this oil is pure magic. You will like it. The aroma from the oil was so inviting. There's no unpleasant smell. So you mix properly and allow to steep for as long as you want. Mine stayed up till 2 weeks, and after 2 weeks, here's what we have. So before you strain, you would want to mix everything properly together, but you can decide to strain like that to save you the stress of wanting it to separate again. So you go ahead to use your cheesecloth I use cheesecloth so excess particles can be removed because I need a finely strained oil. So you can also use your wig cap. Yes, that would also help you to trap in excess particles. Gently remove your cheesecloth and strain out the oil. You have to be careful with this process to avoid spillage. I've had a situation whereby I was removing my cheesecloth and then it slipped from my hand and the whole oil was spilled. I almost cried because it took so long a time for me to infuse that oil. So after this, I added essential oils to this very recipe. Please, you can skip that if you do not have essential oil. You can use any essential oil of choice. But in this video, I used egg and sweet almond essential oil. Yes, eggs are rich in protein, so I included that. And also the sweet almond will help to also retain moisture and then help to strengthen hair. It will also add shine to your hair. Like I said before, feel free to use any essential oil available to you, or you skip this part totally. Just add in few drops and this is what we have. You can see how bright. You see the color. You need to be here with me to even perceive the fragrance from this oil. It's amazing. It's amazing. So we proceed to pouring into whatever bottle or can you want to use. You can use this oil for hot oil treatment and also to seal in moisture. Do well to subscribe for more amazing videos.